Let's begin with what is millet, a popular food option in Africa and Southeast Asia. Millet had generally global interest in the recent past. Courtesy the rich nutrient profile, millet is loaded with almost every essential nutrient and is considered an ancient superfood. Today's video discusses why millets are considered superfoods. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Health benefits of millets. 5 reasons why millet is considered superfood. 1. Promote weight loss. Millets provide body with several minerals like calcium, iron, manganese, and more. More just that, they are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and protein too. All these factors may help prevent obesity and promote weight loss. 2. Boost iron. Millet is a storehouse of iron who help maintain body's iron content. This might further help prevent iron deficiency and related problems like anaemia. 3. Promote bone health. The high amount of calcium, manganese, magnesium, zinc, potassium, copper, and other such minerals make millet a great option to strengthen bone health. 4. Manage diabetes. Millets are food grains that may help regulate blood sugar levels due to the presence of high-quality carbohydrates, fiber, and high level of protein. 5. Boost heart health. Several studies have also shown that some type of millets can help boost heart health too and prevent heart disease like atherosclerosis. Now that you know how healthy millets are, we suggest include them in your daily diet for overall healthy functioning of the body. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.